this is our industrial electric unit. It's rated at 5,000 psi, 5 gallons per minute. Temperature about 200 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. It's for industrial use, and it has an automatic shutdown feature, which can be set up to a delay of about 3 minutes. After which, if nobody operates the trigger gun, the machine will shut off automatically. It's a safety feature and also prevents, the machine from being accidentally left on the on position and then having a pump fried, So anyway, the controls are fairly simple. It's a start and stop button, and then this is the burner switch. So we're going to start firing it up. Somebody needs to hold on to the trigger. And you don't need to press the trigger on this one to start. The motor is oversized. It's a 20 horsepower motor. In theory, it requires 15 horsepower. But in order to make sure, because it's a little bit in excess of that, we went to the next size up to make sure that we have extreme longevity and durability in the product. Okay, so I'm going to start it by pressing the green start button. And the unit is on. So we're registering full 5,000 psi.
It's so quiet.
And then the burner.
What do you think, Marco?
This is nice. I love how it makes no noise.
What is the... Who would use this equipment? What is it great for?
So companies that do washouts, that clean out anything that's metallic, this is great for. Crane rigging companies, crane rental companies, this is something that's really nice because on metal you don't need to have 2,000 or 3,000 psi's whenever you're doing softer things like concrete. Softer substances, but whenever you're cleaning metal, it doesn't damage the metal, but it cleans faster. And the reason why this is great instead of an 8 gallon a minute is you're producing 3 less gallons per minute of wastewater. The other thing is with it being 5 gallons a minute, the temperature rise is more efficient to... We got the machine on.
What's the lead time on these?
The lead time on these, probably 3 to 4 weeks is what I would say from the date of an order. These are made to order. So another thing that's nice about these, they run at 1,800 RPMs. The motor runs at 1,800 RPMs. It's directly coupled with the pump, and what that means is there's no belts and there's no gearbox. It runs with nothing in between to fail. That's it's a fail-proof system, and it takes a lot of it took a lot of Fred's time to figure out how to get the right equipment to get it to where we could accomplish this without having to use gears or belts.
Where could somebody buy one?
Washmart.com.
What's the phone number?
713-979-7532 or 972-922-0404.
What's our address?
2205B Anders Lane, Kemah, Texas, 77565.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
Thanks for shopping at Washmart.
Thank you for shopping at Washmart. Okay, wow. Repeating.